Borgy, where are you? Borgy, I have something for you. Come here. Borgy, where have you been? I want to talk to you about something, Borgy. I want you to stand and listen to me carefully. You need to eat healthy foods right now, Borgy. Because I read on the internet that treats are unhealthy. They're not good for you. So from now on, I won't give you any treats, okay? Borgy, what are you doing? Don't do that. Borgy, you have to believe me. It's not fake news. Oh, come on, Borgy. It's from Dr. Ramuk. I have to Google it first, Borgy. This is very important. Look at this, Borgy. It's from the internet. Wait up! Why are you licking my hand, Borgy? This is not food, and I'm not healthy, Borgy. So Borgy, what did you find? That's from a legit website, Borgy. 50 foods that are super healthy. Borgy, don't block the screen. I can't read it. Well, anyway, Borgy, I want you to read it properly, all by yourself. Okay?
A few inches later.
So do you believe in me now? Follow me, Borgy. We'll go to the fridge and get some healthy food. Let's see, what do we have here? These are all veggies, Borgy. Are you sure you're ready to be a vegetarian right now, Borgy? Alright, Borgy. But first, you need to know them by name. So I want you to prepare yourself at the dining table. This is it, Borgy. This is what I'm talking about. You know what's this, Borgy? This is an eggplant. You're gonna like this one. And this is a green tomato. How about this? This is a cabbage. You like this one, Borgy? And this is also a tomato. Alright, Borgy. You're so excited to be a vegetarian now? Good job, Borgy. Don't be so excited, Borgy. Don't be so excited. I want you to relax a little bit. Alright, Borgy. This time, Borgy, I want you to be a vegetarian for life. You gonna do it, Borgy, or what? Alright.
Say a prayer. High five.
Eventually.
Borgy, what's that, Borgy? What are you eating, Borgy?